Hey, what's up, guys? I decided to make a follow-up video on my previous video on part two of seeing numerology numbers that relates to the day, and this one previously was on two unusual scratch tickets where I won $15 on both individual ticket here. Though I explained a lot in the previous video upon seeing a lot of double digits, I just came to the realization that 13, if you're on the positive side of 13, you will usually money comes your way, and there's a hidden 13 in the number 58, and then you see another 58 right there. I didn't even notice there was another 22, though that's the main one I was focused on. So winning $15 and $15, that alone within itself was a master number, numerology 1515. And then, though, I had to spend $8 out of the $30 for the profit to be $22, a master number of winning money. Interestingly enough, I spent the abundance amount of money, which is 3 plus 5, which is 8. Because 8 is the abundance number. Also, 26 is a great number too for abundance, and there's a hidden 8 within the 26 when you add the 2 and the 6. For the phone number, I just came to the realization that there's a double digit of 55 in the phone number, and then I bought it on a master number time, the 22nd hour of the night. So it's on army time, but you can see repeating digits here. And I also bought it on the 13th minute, and that's usually an interesting sign too as well for good fortune when you're on the right side of things, because when you get lots of 13s, usually that's a good sign for money. My total price of buying things added up to $49, so there's a hidden 13 there, as 4 plus 9 equals 13. The gas I had also had repeating numbers on it as well, with a hidden 22 in the 222. So I was seeing some powerful numbers here. And though we are in a master number year of 2020, look at the address, the numbers. There's a master number of 33, and though the two ones are not next to each other, that could have been sort of like an 11. And the first two digits also deciphers the number 13.